Hello, my name is Juliet Gomez Soto. I study a degree in English. Today I am going to talk about assessment strategies for learning in the e-learning model. Assessment should be an integral part of every activity in the instructional development process. Included e-learning in its various forms, although it is often overlooked or omitted by designers evaluations is important because it is the most reliable tool for continuous improvement in the quality of the training system. Assessment play a key in measuring your students' ability to understand course material by combining different types of assessment at different intervals throughout the course. Studies have shown that we are provided opportunities for the student to practice the material. By practicing, the person has a much better chance of retaining the content for future use. Some strategies that can be used for the e-learning assessment are: 1. Quiz before starting the course. These tests will be fun, interactive, challenging, and curious to show course participants what they may or may not know about the topic. It should also give students a preview of what they will learn in the course. 2. Divided in evaluation. There must be divided in the test such as questions, such as ifs, periods, when matching an element in column A with a related element in column B, drag and combine also sentences to complete. 3. Soft case studies. Real life situations can easily be turned into assessment or learning activities in the e-learning course. In the first place, a problem or a real situation with which the audience can feel identified is defined. Then remove the ending or solution. Now ask students to think of different solutions to solve the situation. Then explain why choose a specific solution. 4. Evaluate strategy games. It is well known that people learn best when they play. So why not incorporate this element to assess a student in your e-learning course? Games are a great resource for practicing recently learned ideas and knowledge in games wherever the student does have as consequence. Therefore, they become valuable and experiential too. There are several types of games such as adventure games, role-playing games, competitions, and sport games. By incorporating any of these types of game into your e-learning course, even the much difficult dance or boring learning material can be made easier to understand simply by our the knowledge as a challenge to overcome in a game. 5. It is important to do the two types of evaluations. There are formative, the one that makes a continuous evaluation of what has been learned about each topic, and the summated one is the final evaluation or everything that was learned throughout the course. Question about the video. 1. Why is evaluation important to students? 2. Do you think it is important to evaluate a course that is virtual? 3. Do you consider it necessary to use both types of evaluations? 4. Are the strategies presented in the video of great importance or not useful for the e-learning assessment? 5. Can evaluating strategy games be of great learning or not? Thank you.